subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So in this video we are going to learn what are loops in JavaScript. So here we are going to, in order to learn loops in JavaScript, we are going to create an array. So let the array name be employees. So where employees, and let me pass some values to it. Name of the employees: John, Steve, Rose, Marky and Rich. So these are the 5 employees. Now first of all we will learn what is for loop. So the syntax for loop is like this: for variable I, which is initialized at 0, and I is less than employees.length, so it should run unless and until employees.length is reached. Then I++, that is increment. So I'm simply writing the console.log I. So as you can see, we have 1 0 1 2 3 4 because we have 5 things in our array. So it is started from 0, and as we all know, the index starts from 0. So it's from 0 to 4. Now if I want to print the name of the employees, I'll simply write employees of I plus the index of them. So as you can see, we have John, Steve, Rose, Marky, Rich with their index. Let me add some space for better readability. John with index 0, Steve with index 1, Rose and Marky, and Chris. So this is like we can do with the for loop. Let me show you one more thing. Let me remove this, and instead of this, let me add as string, and let's simply console.log I. So if, as you can see, this has been started from 0 to 9 because I is equals to 0 initially, and it on increment it reach up to the 9, that is less than 10. Let's learn what is while loop. So in while loop, it checks the condition first, then executes a statement. So let I equals to 0 and while I is less than 10, will execute this statement, that is document.write. I'll simply write I, and yeah, and I++. So I'll increment this I whenever it prints this statement. So if you can see on the browser, if I refresh the page, and let's see on the browser what's happening. Okay, we are already getting an error that I is already declared. So let me change the variable with A. Okay, document.write A and A++. So as you can see, we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in order to make it more in same line, we will simply add a BR tag. This can be added by using this plus double quotes BR tag. So now as you can see, we have 0 1 2 up to 9 in a line, one by one. In the similar way, we can use the do while loop. So in do while loop, the statement get executed first, and then it checks the condition. Whereas in while loop, it checks the condition, then it executes the statement. But in do while loop, the statement gets executed first. So let's k is less than 10, and let me declare k first. K equals to 0, and we'll simply do inside do we will write document.write and k plus value of k plus, let me write something as BR tag, yeah, just to make it in line. So as you can see, we have k0 to k9. Let me add some space, and as you can see, k0 to k9. Let me add check with 20, so it will be up to 19, right? So this is how loops works in JavaScript.